What's the difference between the standard capacity HP 305 ink cartridge and the high capacity XL version? Well, as you can see, both cartridges are physically the same size and they retain compatibility with all of the same printers. The 305 contains 2 milliliters of ink and the 305 XL 4 milliliters of ink, making it twice the size. This plays out pretty well in the amount of pages offered, with the 305 offering an estimated 120 pages and the 305 XL double that at 240, offering a lower cost per page. So let's take a look inside the cartridges to see what this 2 milliliter and 4 milliliter equates to. And as you can see, inside the standard capacity cartridge, most of what's in there is air with a very small sponge central within a little plastic wall. Take the sponge out. As you can see, even with that small sponge, the ink that was in there has stained roughly half of that, meaning you could probably fit a full 4 milliliters into that sponge alone. Speaking of 4 milliliters, let's do the same with the XL. And here we have a slightly larger sponge, but again, mostly air inside that cartridge. So let's take a look at the sponge. And at least this one did contain a higher percentage of ink within the sponge. But as you can see, there's capacity for a lot more ink in there, like HP used to offer on similar ranges of cartridges. Now, if you're interested in these, or even their remanufactured alternatives, you can find them listed on our website. But thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Leave me a like if you found it useful. Drop something down in the comments if you've got anything to add. Otherwise, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.